$500 zip cost. Somebody said, feel my do-rag. I need to take that motherfucker off. Water, you need to come back, man. I miss you, man. You need to goddamn fuck that shit. I'm coming to get you. You see my braid? Boy said, let him hit the Zaza. I don't know what Zaza is. Exotic. 500 zip for sure. Y'all keep talking about inhale. Why y'all worry about I smoke? I get high. I get high. Y'all can't see everything. When I hit it, goddamn, I inhale a little bit of it. Goddamn. What's up, this Zabo from Oakland City? Man, who the fuck is Zabo? Only Zabo I know is Zay, Black Josh brother. If that ain't, he don't even think he call himself J-Bo. Said that boy John went off tonight. Who the hell is John? John! John rant. One. DD, I just asked somebody for your number. We trying to go out of town. We need a driver, DD. We ain't got a lot of money to pay though, man. We damn sure need you.
That's bullshit.
What's called?
I done hit the Bluetooth.
Now it's on left. Hit it back on satellite.
When the next album coming? Homicide. Fuck you been at Homicide. I'm sure you're in a minute. Like more. You ain't what cracking. He said they trap for Oakland City where you live. Damn. Now you feel. Oh shit. He said they trap for Oakland City where you live. Damn, I don't know him, man. Hey, trap. And I'm telling you would have been right there in the mid where you supposed to been at. You would have been right with us. Hey, I gotta go to Colorado on tomorrow. So, goddamn, be ready to go to Colorado. To my fans, I got a live show tomorrow. Colorado, it's gonna be live. It's gonna be streamed.
Hey, come fit this shit, man.
Red Rocks, something like that.
Man, get this shit, man. Make some type of music. See, they don't press more shit.
I done fucked it all the way up.
I ain't did that. Playing. You just press something like that. Yeah. Oh, no, you can put it back on now.
Tomorrow. I think I go on at like 8. Some shit like that. I'm trying to play y'all some music, man. The bro can't get the shit right. You can't turn the camera around on live no more?
Yeah, you gotta do it on top.
You ready to get on the camera? He said you gotta do it on top. Have the bros over, so.
Yeah, you got to go back there and play with them.
Man, we had did.
Say all he do is dry.
Remember how you told me to do it? Now it ain't doing.